The charger, they will use this charger to break person head though. Koi. Hello my lovely creatures, you all are welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are keeping warm and you're keeping safe. If you're new here, my humble self is Rosie's Glam, and on today's video I'm going to do unboxing. And unboxing I'm going to do is related to why I've not been posting video lately. Okay, I feel so bad, you know, that I've not been able to keep up the vlogmas that is going on. As a matter of fact, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to go about it. My camera is a bit big to carry up and down. It's here. I can't be carrying it up and down. And my computer, you know, I can't sit down and be doing all things while I have a lot of things to do around. I go to work. So after trying to sort out what to do, I don't know what to do. And this is my iPhone 12, right? iPhone 11, I don't know. I have a problem with my iPhones and my iPhone fan, and yeah, but the problem I have with it is that any little thing, it will tell me that the memory is full. Meanwhile, there are huge memory capacity inside. Okay, I have even tried to record. I have video I recorded because the last video I posted was the 16th, so I recorded the 17 and 18 on it, which is here, and I tried to edit it. It's not moving to the app I want to edit. Okay, let me move it to my computer. It's not working. It refuses to move, so I don't know what to do. Because of that, I was devastated. I couldn't do anything. I just let it be. So I had to quickly order a phone, which is why we are making this video. I had to quickly order one phone like that. It's not really my kind of phone, but I have no option. And somebody I think Love and Family you know, did a review on the phone, so I decided to go for it for now before I could sort myself out. And lo and behold, this morning I received it. I said, okay, let me just do unboxing. Let's just do unboxing together and see how the phone looks like. I am not going to explain about the capacity, about this, about that, just to open it and show you guys, because I'm happy. Yeah, our vlog must continue. I must complete this. I must finish it. Okay, we started it and we must finish it. I'm not going to give up on it. Okay, so here comes the phone. This is the package. As you can see, is unopened yet. So I'm going to go ahead now to open it, and let's see how the phone looks like. Okay, so what do you call this date? What was today's date, Jason? So apparently this is our day 22 vlogmas, right? While I've not posted previously, but nevertheless I am going to post them, whether crook or by hook. I must get those video and I'll post it as soon as possible. Even if it will take me to post twice a day, I will do it in order to make sure that it's completed. Okay, so here is the phone here. And here it is. Nothing else is in the carton. As you can see my face, I was kind of, let me check, and when I checked they say it has arrived. Oh, and the memory space they said is 128 gig. So let's turn it on. I'm supposed to charge it for a while before I go ahead to turn it on, but let's see how it is. They said they've delivered it, but I didn't get anything, so I was just cleaning the kitchen and I quickly went to the mailbox to check, and lo and behold, they put it there. Packaging list. Okay, the price is not there. Of course, I bought it online. It's from my network provider. I got it. It's an Oppo Reno 6 5G. So right. So I'm going to go ahead to open it. Let's see how the phone looks like. So we are back to business of vlogging. All right, so this is the SIM card that came with it, and here is sealed up. When you get a phone and here this thing is broken, make sure that you don't use that phone. Return it to the seller, because someone has already opened it. Okay, this is what you use to open where the SIM card is, or memory card. And this is the cover. It came with the cover. Okay, And what is this? Is the manual, of course, to read and find your way through. These are the manuals to find your way through the phone, okay? And here comes the phone. Okay, I think this is the earpiece, okay? The charger, they will use this charger to break person head though. Koi. The charger is heavy and is big. And this is the cable for the charger. It's not long, yeah? That's not my business. Okay, this is the phone itself. I'm happy. At least I can vlog now, okay? I'm so happy, you know, to give you guys what to watch, content to view. This is the phone. It's not bad. The feeling is not bad. The memory space, they said, is 128 gig. So let's turn it on. I'm supposed to charge it for a while before I go ahead to turn it on, but let's see how it is. Yeah. So this is how it's going to be. I'm going to go ahead to set it up, and yeah, our vlogging continues. I'm happy that I get this. At least I'll be able to do something, work on something before I could fix myself on my phone, and yeah, see if I can retrieve every other content from that one, because the other one computer is not even recognizing it. So I will change the screen and see how it goes, okay? So this is it. How do you all find this video? If you like it, come on, just give it a thumb up, and if you've not subscribed to our channel, consider hitting on that subscription button right on there. Subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't mind my face. This is morning. I'm just walking in the house. I've not done anything, you know. Yeah, this came as okay. Let me quickly do this and see what I can do, okay? Thank you so much for watching. You know what, I will catch you up in my next video, and don't worry, I am going to do review on this phone after a couple of days, after a week, and see how it goes. But the camera quality, the generally how it is, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you up again in my next video. Don't forget, Rose Glam loves you all. Have I even brushed my teeth this morning? Don't mind me. I will see you soon. Bye for now.